machine shop to get lots of vending machines, toy, and the little balls inside here. And there's like thousands and thousands of them. Let's see what I get, and let's see you during this video. Is $100 yen. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get this. I hope I don't get the purple one. It's scary. Maybe I'll give it to one of my girlfriends. And get another $100. Here we go. 100 yen. One. Twist it this way. There, I got one. What did I get? I got the green bullet train. The middle one. So I'm gonna put one in, push it. There it is. Another one. Push it, and then turn it this way. So I got a tunnel. That's this one right there. I'm gonna try and get one of these cool ones and one of these other cool ones. So let's put this one in first. Oopsies. I dropped 200 yens. There. What did I get? What did I get? I got a train. It's a GR train. So I'm gonna put another 100 yen. I got one of them, so I'm gonna put it in here. What did I get? I got a red train. I think it's a friend. So I got another train. I only got 100 yen, so I'm gonna go and get another yen. So I see the golden one in here. I'm gonna try and do it again, and I hope maybe I'll get the train station or that golden one. So I'm gonna put 100 yen, another 100 yen. What did I get? I got tracks. So I got 6 of them. I'm so excited to open them. I'm gonna open them now. So it's open time now, and at the hotel, the tiniest room in the world, before the Blue Mountains, and I'm so excited. I got the grabber arm and I got this alien Toy Story, and it's so funny. So I got like and I'm gonna open these now. So excited, and let's open one now. I'm so excited. Let's open this one. So this one is a tunnel. You need to build it. So the first thing is this, and then you have these 2 copies. There, and then I think this one goes here. Focus on the outside. And we're going to put lots of things inside. There, and I think inside. There, and then 3. Okay, let's open our second one now. It's a train. What kind of train? I don't know. It maybe just moves all by itself. What is this? Okay, let's Okay, guys, let's turn it. It moves! It actually moves, guys! It's so cool! I'm gonna open the second one. I choose the track because I wanted this train to be on the track. That's a lot of tracks. Oh, I have to rip it. Yeah, too strong? Okay, let's open this later. Let's open to our third one. We got a middle of the green bullet train. Let's add this to here. There. 2 trains. Maybe we can stick this together as in one big one. Let's see. It works still. That's so cool. Let's up to fourth one. We got a red middle train here. Let's add this track. There. Let's put the tunnel in the middle. There. Now let's add this one to the green one. There. Okay, on to our last one. So, we have another train. Big one, but it couldn't work. It's okay, because it can still move. Oh, it actually moves. Okay, we can't put this. Maybe we'll change it. There. Then put this here. There. One. And another one. And eventually, I think these are all like the circled ones. So I finished this. I'm gonna put this on the track, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is a cliff. Let's test this train on here. Okay, there. Wind it up. Okay, go. It actually worked! This is cool! And also I got this from a machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Yes? Okay. Should we try and get some food?